right, just got a sectional for the rental house, and this is just a cushion of it, but a lot of people, if they have existing upholstery, they bring a cushion or a swatch, because what we gotta do is match it with the rug. So we're going with a 10 by 14. This is a pretty big sectional, a little bit more transitional, but a little bit more on the modern side from Century, but you can kind of see some of these details. But depending on what rug you put it next to, even if this is a neutral color in a sense, this could go almost a little bit more periwinkle, a little bit more silver, a little bit more beige, a little bit more tan, depending on what rug is near. You can see there are some of those grays, soft blues, even some of the taupes that are actually all pulled out here would be okay. I might go a little bit darker. The one I liked a little bit ago, this is pretty much the same rug, but there's slightly different colors. It looks like there's a little bit more green, but there's also that some of these colors are kind of hard to tell. That's why you need to look at it on the ground. But you have some blues, greens, yellows, and that plays pretty darn well. And this one's actually a 911 by 14.2, so it's actually a little bit longer than a standard 10 by 14. So this one is probably a little bit better. I think the colors might be just slightly better than the other one, but you know, almost this like dark gray, purple, silver kind of plays together. This is definitely an interesting fabric. So the other one's a little bit more tribal. This is a little bit more traditional. And again, you have some of those same colors: purples, blues, beiges. You know, it's just definitely a different look, a little bit darker. Honestly, the coloration is actually better in this one. I don't know if you like the rug as much, but this goes a little bit more brown blue. Yeah. And this goes a little bit more brown, gray, blue. It even has purple. It's an interesting, what do you think?
Great.
I mean, this probably goes with it. I mean, you have every color in this, and again, it is hard to see. It's kind of silvery, almost a very pale purple. It all depends on what kind of light you're in. And this is a full 10 by 4. Yeah, so this is a 10 by 14.3. So even a longer 10 by 14. These are hand knotted in India. This is Decor rugs, and they have this really nice vintage sheer on it. So that's a really fun piece. That might be the winner. So this is the rug we're gonna go with. I think it worked pretty well. But again, you do have 30 days to try the rugs out in your home, because it is hard to tell exactly what it's gonna look like. You know, you don't have the natural light in here. Obviously when it's in your home, it's gonna look a little different. But the size works, the colors work. So I think we got about a 95% chance it's gonna make it. Again, it's a little bit of an expedited process. Know your stuff, bring your fabrics. Even if it is a cushion, it's better to have it right next to it than a picture. The iPhones are always gonna be a little different. So that's just a little bit for you, but 10 by 14s, awesome colors. We got plenty in stock, so come check it out.